Michael. Tell him to get up on the back. Okay. All right, listen. Everybody, this is the Tea Party. Everybody, Tea Party, say yes. We're getting ready to do a big show in Kansas City with all of the big stars, and we're gonna honor the Tea Party there. This is the Tea Party of Fort Lauderdale. So everybody say hoorah! Hoorah! So that's the Tea Party. Now I got one more announcement. The announcement is we're gonna do a big protest against the Democrats because they accuse the Tea Party of what they do. They put us black people out of a house because they said we had no water because one of them called me a nigger and said that I'm a disgrace to my race for helping the Tea Party and for helping Allen West. I thought Allen West was black. What y'all say? So anyway, we're going to be against the city of North Miami Beach next week, and all of our Tea Parties, Latin, black, and white, will be there. Hoorah!
Hoorah! Yeah!
Yeah! Hold it.